Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to enable word effects in Messenger. Now let's begin. Do make sure that you have the Messenger application installed in your device and it is updated to the latest version. As you can see, I've already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Now what we want to do is enable word effects. Now let's look at that. Now you can go to the chat of any of your friends, and once you've entered it, at the top right section, you will find these three icons: audio call button, video call button, and the info button. Simply click on the info button right here. Now this will pop up. Now what you need to do is simply scroll down, and right under this customization tab, you will find something like word effects. Just click on the word effects button right here. Now from here, you can add effects to your chat. Now let's begin. At the very end, there's a text box like this. Simply type whatever you wish. I'm gonna try to add a word effect to the text. Hi. Now at the left section, there's an emoji-like icon. Just click on it. Now correspond an emoji to the respective text. I'm gonna select this one right here. And at the very right, here's a button like this with an arrow pointing to the top. Just click on it. And there you have it. You can also add others as well. I'm gonna add another word effect to the text by. Following the same process, I'm gonna select an emoji and click on this button right here. Now let's try to test our word effects. Simply go to the chat and enter the text. I'm gonna enter hi and click on send. As you can see, the word effect has been successfully implemented. Now let's try for another text. I'm simply gonna click on send. And there you have it, guys. That's how you enable word effects in Messenger. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.